Hey, good morning all. This is Steve from Steve's Locksmith Trophy and Engraving Shop. And this is our shop. We got our Christmas decorations out. And I thought you'd just give you guys an insight in our shop if you've never been in our store before and what we do. Give you a quick sweep of our shop. So we're a trophy engraving and a locksmith shop. And just here's a couple samples. We do sell gifts. These are just a few samples of different cutting boards we laser engrave. Pretty much, if you can imagine it, we can engrave it. Here's one my wife did the other day. This is a slate cutting board that she engraved. Pretty darn cool. Those are just samples of different trophy toppers as we build all our trophies here in shop. And those are just a few different samples of people that need trophies. And then here's some of our wedding stuff. We engrave different glasses for weddings and wedding cake tools and champagne flutes. There's some Swarovski crystal champagne flutes. Those are dog urns for your ashes of your pet. We engrave those. And these are memorial plaque signs that we engrave and you put them at like a tree if you're dedicating a tree to somebody. And then back in here is our lock showroom. This whole section is dedicated to padlocks. There's a few samples of our padlocks, and they're kept down here in this little hutch. And just open these drawers. It's filled with padlocks. Different safe dials on us upgrading your safes.